Okay, so pretty basic little four-wheel Brinks padlock. This is one of the ones that does the, make sure I'm in frame here, you can change the combo. Usually I've noticed it's indicated by these little notches on either side of the shackle here. So right now it is set to, let's see, come on, focus. 9, 8, 3, 7. Okay. So I know that combination. That's of no use to me. But the process for changing it is we flip the shackle around, press down. You can hear it click. And then scramble the wheels. Once it's set, you should be able to pull it back up. And it did. Around. In. There we go. So now I got no clue what this uses. And I'm going to show here 9, 8, 3, 7. Get to focus again. There we go. Doesn't open. So I've successfully scrambled it. I don't know what it is now. I'm going to scramble it some more just because I always like to be thorough. And let's see here. This is actually a little piece out of my tubular pick that I almost never use. And I found it works great for this because it sits right down in that channel. It's very light. And the process typically is you just set it in there. I use my finger to hold it upright. And you turn the wheel. Got to do the top one first. You start from the top. And it moved. When you know, to find out if you're really in the correct spot, if you twist it too, you'll feel it start to bind up. Okay, let's reset that. It's tricky. It needs to be at the correct angle. So let's see here. Let's try this again. Try to hold this upright so that it just drops down. So it's not. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Let's try holding it like this. A little bit of downward pressure. Sometimes that helps for the first one. Just rotate, and you'll feel it. There. Okay, so it just dropped. So I have to turn it back just a touch because it'll be sitting in the wrong spot and it'll start binding. You don't want it to bind. So now that it's relatively down in there, we don't need to be so particular on holding it up. We can start on the next wheel. Oh, there we go. So that's 2 numbers down. Now let's go to the third wheel. So it's not wanting to drop, so let's put a little bit of downward pressure again. And you'll definitely feel it. As soon as you hit the right spot, it drops. There. Okay, cool. Now for the final one. Now when you do this last one, it's going to drop completely flush. Oh, look at that. There we go. So, but the trick of it is, these numbers on the front, you can see here, come on, focus. It does not want to cooperate. There, 2999. That is not it. We can pull this out now, we don't need it. So if we were to set this at 2999, I just rolled it back because it was slightly off. Alright, come on. There, okay. Nothing. What matters is the backside. This is where the actual decoding happens. We can see here, 7444. There. So let's go ahead and pop that in on the front here. Seven, 4, 4, 4. And there we go. Fairly easy. It just takes, you got to be very careful. You can't go too fast with the wheels. If you do, you'll start twisting on the bar and you won't have an accurate idea of what the numbers are on the backside here. But the only reason I even started messing with this is I saw a similar method on a different looking lock, and this kind of gave me the idea. I was like, well, I got this thing sitting around. Let's see if this one is vulnerable to the same thing. Sure enough, it is. You don't have to mess with any, try to fish a tool in around here and do manual manipulation. You just, a little bit of downward pressure, turn the wheels, and as they drop, there's your numbers. Flip it over, read them off, put them on the front, and you're in. Easy peasy.